of every four-stroke gas engine: a piston, a connecting rod, a crankshaft. A fuel delivery system consists of an air intake manifold, valves, intake and exhaust, a fuel injector, and a spark plug. Piston travels downward as the intake valve opens and a mixture of air from the atmosphere and a metered amount of gas from the electronic fuel injector enter the cylinder. This is called the intake stroke.
I don't get it.
The piston travels upward, compressing the air and fuel to make a highly combustible mixture. This is called the compression stroke.
I still don't get it.
It's just a joke.
Oh, I get it. I get jokes.
At this point, the spark plug fires. Sending the piston downward from the expansion of the air and gas mixture. This is the combustion stroke. Stroke is the exhaust stroke. As the piston travels upward, the exhaust valve opens to release the burned air-fuel mixture.